ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Dagbabu hakmat jing ang nur ben penpoi yakila jing sumar sheki jalla ka than chetela mingi ki bor penya jang ke Arhi multi super speciality hospital hakalai photore ulber arajar pusa klaple pat ba yakani ka jaka a jing sumar hakashnong mausmai kaburan hakappu jang jalla Meghalaya bat ka jalla Assam Laple yakani ka jaka a jing sumar menteri ka sarkar jalla uba ALHEC ringkat ka jing sakilang jong MLA ka jirang constituency uba sostena sotun UDHS berem u Dr Amanwar urang machnong ka mausmai bat kiwe.
From all over the states, not only Meghalaya, we'll take from Assam also, we'll take from Nagaland also, we'll take particularly from the northeastern state, staff and then mainly the nurses will be taken from northeastern states. As our intention is service to man and service to God. Because we have to serve only not only for the people of Shillong or Meghalaya. We have the people of entire northeastern states, particularly people from Assam, from Nagaland, from Manipur, from Tripura, everybody. We want to serve the humanity. So that's why we have set this one because it is very strategically located this place.
In Meghalaya, you have all the heart surgeries done in private setup. Till today, only Negrings they can do the government setup, and you know the limitations in government setup. So this hospital will be the first hospital in private setup to be able to operate on any kinds of patients, whether it's a congenital heart disease, small child with a hole in the heart, or complicated operations like bypass operations or heart replacement operations, or any kinds of cardiac operations or cardiac procedures like angioplasty or pacemaker. Those all kinds of cardiac procedures which usually people have to go outside the state to Delhi, Mumbai, etc. They can all be done here, and already all the machineries have arrived. So in a month or so, we'll be starting our department full-fledged. And the most important thing, already our manpower is on board. So I myself is there, and then our cardiologists and other doctors are also there. So this will be a very good hospital from cardiac point of view also, and this will be a fully functional, fully fledged first private hospital in the Meghalaya to have all the facilities for heart operations.
We are just starting. We will be having around 30 to 35 specialists, doctors. But going forward, that number is going to increase very soon. Maybe in the next 6 months to 12 months time, we will be having close to 100 doctors working here. Along with that, we will have close to 300 nurses and different medical technicians. And all total we will be having not less than 600 to 700 employees once we are full-fledged.